how to safely wear your baby in a homemade t-shirt baby carrier. This video is a response to my original video about how to make a homemade carrier out of t-shirts because I wanted to save some moms some money and dads so that they can wear their babies, and I got a lot of negative responses to it saying that's unsafe. Well, I'm going to show you it's not unsafe. I'll show you the right way to do it. Here is my carrier. Now if you watch the original video, this is actually a different carrier. If you read the comments in that video, I used t-shirts that were too big. So this one I have the right size t-shirts for my body size. I'm also 6 months pregnant, so I'm going to be wearing my 18-month-old, so this should be fun. So you'll take the piece that's tied together with the yarn or the t-shirt material, the yarn and the t-shirt material, and you have both loops together. Put it over one shoulder and under the other, and then you take the top loop, bring it down to the middle like this. So now you have one loop going across and one loop across your stomach. So when you take your baby, this is my same daughter from the video. She's now 18 months old instead of 6 months old. So you're going to put baby's leg through both loops.
Mommy!
That's mommy! And you're going to spread the material. You're going to make sure you spread it so it goes all the way from the bottom to the knee. Then you take, flip, put it through the other loop, and get your arm through. Making sure that this is spread all the way across her bottom to her knee. You're going to make sure this other loop is also spread all the way across. Oops. From her bottom to her knee. See, now this is a safe way to wear your baby. Your baby's in the proper seated position. The knees are higher than the hips, and it will not hurt their leg development at all. Now it's very important that you take the center panel and tie it on as well. It gives you that extra support. And one other thing it's good to note is that your baby should always face in. I didn't know that when I made this video. New rules came out since I made the video, but baby should always be worn facing in. It's a very safe carrier as long as you keep that proper seated position. Happy, cheap baby wearing. One other thing I do want to point out, I made sure to use t-shirts that are thick. They are not the cheap undershirts. These are actual thick t-shirts. And they are woven all in one piece. There are no side seams. T-shirt material is very sturdy. It's the same jersey knit material that you would buy in the store, so it is perfectly safe to do this for your baby. So long as you use sturdy t-shirts, no holes, no wear. Don't pull on that. And then you can wear your baby and save some money. Best of luck to you.